Hi, I'm Peter Taylor, the Mayor of Watford, and I'm here today with Shafiq Ahmed, and we've been talking about the local taxi trade in Watford. I know how difficult it's been for the last year and a half, and as ever, Shafiq's been making the case on behalf of local drivers. I'm really pleased that there'll be a further £500 made available to local taxi drivers. The information will be out in the next 2 days. I'd encourage drivers to apply for that, and Shafiq and myself will make sure all of the information is available. I also know how difficult it is for taxis, often with unfair competition from companies like Uber, and so we've been looking at making sure there's good ranking in the town and that Uber aren't able to use underhand tactics. I want to make sure that our fleet, our local taxis, are as good as they can be, and again we've been talking about how can we make it affordable for drivers to have electric vehicles. Because the last couple of years have been really difficult, I know it's had an impact on the health and mental health of local drivers, and so we're thinking about how can we help drivers through this difficult period, perhaps with discounts to use local gyms and things like that, and so we're exploring how we can make that possible. So lots that we've been discussing, but the main thing to know is that myself and Shafiq, of course, really care about the local trade and are doing everything we can to make sure that they can survive this difficult period and do well in the future.
And thank you, Peter. Peter assures me that all the things that he has stated, they will be, he'll do his utmost best to make it happen. And thank you, Peter, for all your efforts and listening to our concerns. Thank you.